Welcome back to another tutorial of Android series. So I have created an Android app. Now suppose you want to test locally. That means you don't want to upload your build on the Play Store. So before that you want to test manually. Then how you'll do that? So this is Android Studio. So I have already created an app. So for that you can create a build here. So build option maybe this will give you the APK file and you can install on your any Android app. Okay, so I'm going to first thing I will have to clean this. Then after cleaning up, you can see the progress here on the bottom. So once it is done, we'll see this message will go from here. Now you see it's done. So once you clean up, so under the again you will come up here under menu, then under build you'll find here generate app tab. We'll click here on the generate APK file. So this will give you the APK one, and you can transfer that APK to your phone and you can install that one. So here you see it is again it will take time here. So once it is done, it will give you the APK file you can install on your phone. So let's wait for a moment here. So here generate bundle, if you click on this you can see the progress. Now you see it's done. So you see here builds completed successfully for one module Android app. So if I click here on the local and I can refresh within this directory, I should see the file. Okay, so this is the APK file I will be able to install on my